In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator to calculate summary statistics from a given set of data. As you can see, right up at the top of the screen here, I have a set of data that's relatively long. So it wouldn't necessarily be easy or convenient for me to calculate these by hand. At the very least, it would be pretty time-consuming. So what I'm going to do is use technology, my graphing calculator, to generate these summary statistics for me. Specifically, I'm going to be finding my mean, standard deviation, and 5-number summary for this data. The 5-number summary consists of my minimum value, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and maximum value for the data set. So let's get started. The first thing I'll do is press the Stat button on my calculator. When I press the Stat button, it will open up a menu in which I'll see the word Edit highlighted. This is what we want. So since the word Edit is highlighted, I'll press Enter. Once I do so, the screen below is going to appear. As you can see, it has different lists, L1, L2, L3, and so on. Since I only have one list of data that I'm working with today, I'm going to enter all of my values into L1. To do so, I'll simply press each number into my calculator and hit Enter after I put in each number. I'll do so for every number until I've reached the end of my list. Then, since there are quite a few numbers, 41 to be exact, I will make sure that I double check my entries for accuracy. And that's very important. You don't want to get all the way to the end of a calculation only to find that you have to re-enter all of your data because you had miskeyed an entry. So always do double check those numbers. Once I have finished entering my data, I'm ready to calculate my summary statistics. So to do that, I'll press the Stat key again. And then instead of highlighting the word Edit, I'm going to use my arrow key on my calculator to arrow right once and highlight the word Calc. Once I've highlighted the word Calc, I'll see just below an entry here, number 1, 1-VAR-STATS, which stands for 1 variable statistics. I'm going to press Enter 2 times with this number 1 highlighted. Once I press Enter twice, my summary statistics will display in this window. So I had said that I wanted to find my mean, standard deviation, and 5-number summary for these data. My mean is indicated by X bar, and in this case, the mean for these data is 14.39. My standard deviation for these data is indicated by capital S, lowercase x, and I see here it's 10.45 and so on. I'll round to simply 2 decimal places, so I'll round to the hundredths place, and I will write 10.46 as my standard deviation. Now, I've already calculated my summary statistics, but they don't all display on the screen at one time. So I need to use my arrow keys to scroll down and view the rest of my summary statistics. So using your arrow key, scroll down all the way to the bottom of your screen on your TI-83 or TI-84. This will be where you'll find your 5-number summary. So this is your 5-number summary right here. And as you can see, the minimum is 1. Q1, which is the first quartile, or the 25% mark in your data, is 6. The median, sometimes also called quartile 2, is the 50% mark in your data, and here we see that it's 13. Quartile 3, which is your 75% mark, is 20.5. And lastly, our maximum is the largest number in our data set, and that happens to be 44. So this is a quick overview on how you can find basic summary statistics using your TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator.